Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some more notebooks I made. This time I made them kind of like motivational, inspirational themed, using up some random papers from my stash. Like, they do not have a collection, you guys. I mean, some of these papers went together. I think I had, I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 sheets of a collection that kind of went together. That was just kind of like random in my stash that I got from a D-stash years ago, from the Good Vibes collection by Crate Paper. So yeah, long time ago, you guys, but I have been trying to use up all those papers. So I've been making a bunch of notebooks. So let me show you guys what they look like on the inside. And in case you guys are looking for a tutorial, I do have a tutorial on how I made the 3x4 size notebooks. I mean, they're all a little bit different, but I do have a tutorial of when I made this one. So that one you could check out, and this one, actually, both of these. Those you could check out in the description box down below, and there you'll be able to find the tutorial for the 3x4 mini notebooks. So yeah. Originally inspired by Covered by Grace Creations for this, but I have just since added in all my own elements and goodies. So I wanted to share with you guys how I make it. So check that out if you guys want to make your own. But here's one notebook, and it just says you can do this. And here we've got some pink dyed paper that I made that just kind of folds open with this cute little paper clip with some tulle. And guys, I'm almost out of my tulle. I don't know how that happened. I've had that tulle for forever, and now that like I've started using them on these paper clips, I'm almost out. So just some index card pages here, then another paper from my stash. All right, and then here we have a divider. So I just added in a blank tag here and made a little pocket here with some more scraps that I had. And there's this pull-out tag there, and you could journal on the back. Then I added this journal card cut apart. Then I had this paper. So I try to like mix and match so it's not completely random. Another tag here, and this time we got an angled pocket. And this tag, and I show you guys how to do like the angled pockets, the side pocket, or this bottom pocket, the dividers and everything in the tutorial. Pink dyed paper here, this vellum piece, more index card pages, like they're lined on one side and blank on the other. Got another angled pocket here, and another tag in the divider page. And then a belly band. And then this flips out a little bit. So you could add like a photo onto this if you wanted to. And that would be super cute. And then you like open it up and you have like a journal space. And then more index card pages. So there's that one. Here's another one. This one says "You Go Girl." And they're all like similar, but they have different vellum pages, different cut aparts. They all have one of these pink dyed papers with the tulle tulle paper clip. This one has a side pocket here with a tag. They all have got some kind of a tag and some kind of smaller paper, a journal card or like cut apart kind of thing. Another tag here and here. So they all got 3 tags. Why am I struggling with this right now? 3 tags on the top, and then they have, I think, 1, 2, 4 of these white tags inside, and this one has a belly band like this. So all a little bit different. They all got one of these pages also. So they're all like similar but different. And another flip out here. They've got 2 like little flip out pages with 2 tulle bow thingies, paper clips. I can't talk, oh my gosh. It's been such a long day, you guys. All right, here's another one. Oh, forgot to tell you. This one says, I'm growing every day. Paperclip, not paperclip. Oh my gosh, I really can't even think either. Tag, tag, cut apart. Pink dyed paper here. We've got this journal card, another tag, and another tag up here. Belly band with a tag. Scrap piece of paper. Another tag and another tag. Just wanted to do this quick little video to share with you guys. I love this vellum page. I love. And then we've got another one of these here. So that's this notebook. Then I have this one that says, kind is the new cool. Smaller vellum piece because I didn't have like a full size anymore. We've got this piece, page that flips out. A tag here and a pull-out tag. Another journal card. Pink dyed paper. Another tag here and a pull-out tag. Here's a cut apart, always dream big. This paper, another tag, and another pull-out tag. Lots of tags, you guys, and I love it. Another tag in here. My pink dyed paper with the tool clip. Another paper here. And that is that one. And then I had enough to make like a 3x5 size book. So I made one of those. And this one says Bloom Baby Bloom. And all of these are already sold. They kind of sold on Instagram before I even got to put them in my shop. These ones did also. So I'm always making more. But the best way you're going to get one is probably Instagram. Here we've got this flip out page with the tool clip. We've got some larger tags here, so I put them sideways. And then these tags are super small because they needed to fit. I didn't want to put them sideways because then the ribbon is on the side. And I really wanted the ribbon peeking out from the top. And they looked too weird if they were just long. Here I have this vellum piece. Another paper here. Pink dyed paper. And then we've got this tag here. And then here we've got this belly band. And these are larger tags than in here. So let me show you guys comparison. So see? Definitely bigger size tags in here. And this one actually uses more paper because here you need 3x5 size index cards and you need 40 sheets. Whereas these ones, you only need 20 sheets because you cut them all in half. So this one definitely uses a bit more. Pink dyed paper here. Another tag here and up here. And this flip out. And I think that's it. Yep. So there's that notebook. So I just wanted to share with you guys some more notebooks that I made. And like I said, I'm always making more. And I'm just so happy to use up these random papers in my stash, you guys. Like, I know I keep talking about them. If you guys have been watching for, you know, like this year. And that's one of my goals this year. I'm really trying to use it up. And it still feels like I have not made a dent in it. But yet I keep using the papers, so I don't know, one of these days we'll be done. But until then, I'm still going to keep trying to use up those random sheets of paper in my stash. Anyway, guys, so if you guys want to make your own, like I said, check out the description box down below. I have the tutorial linked for you guys there. I will link the cinch wires I use. So this one has a gold and a white. They're all 1 inch, but I just kind of get like a variety pack. So you guys could get one too. And what else? I could link the gold foil paper, The seam binding is from My Scrap Cabin Shop, so I will link that for sure. And yeah, so check it out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty one. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.